The brain knows what time it is even when you're asleep, and scientists just figured out how it's counting. When you wake up right before your alarm goes off, your body has been preparing for that exact moment for the past hour while you are completely unconscious. This happens because of your circadian rhythm, which is your body's internal 24-hour clock that lives in your brain and controls when you feel awake or tired. Every time you wake up at the same time, your brain learns that pattern and starts releasing stress hormones like cortisol about an hour before your alarm is set to go off. These hormones gradually pull you out of deep sleep and into lighter sleep stages, making it easier for your body to wake naturally right before the alarm sounds. Scientists call this anticipatory waking, and it happens because your brain doesn't want the sudden shock of a loud alarm disrupting your system. Your body literally prepares itself by raising your heart rate, increasing your blood pressure, and warming your core temperature in the minutes before you're supposed to wake. Have you ever had this condition? Comment yes if you have, and follow me for more simple, science-based health tips.